Hey ladies, Team Trust, this is Trisha Panatera. I just wanted to share with you while I'm doing this, I'm working on this today, what I'm doing. So I've just learned how to do this, and I highly recommend that you sign up for a free issue account, ISSUU account. And you can upload PDFs to your issue account and publish them. So it's a PDF version of like your catalog, but it makes it like digital, and you can share the links with people. So I share those like in my Facebook parties, when I'm having a home party and I want to show them the catalog ahead of time, or somebody who says they just want to see a digital, see a link. But I also started creating, since I just learned how to do this, invitations to all my parties on Canva, canva.com. So I just create a PDF. Canva is free. The free version is what I use. And I upload the PDF to my issue account. And how I do that, you just click publish and upload. And you can select the file. It'll take me to my computer and I can upload, um, you know, whatever I want. So for example, I just uploaded a couple. So like my invitations for February parties, I've made PDFs through Canva and saved them here. And you can upload them. So let's just pretend like I just did that. And then it'll upload and it'll be here under your publication list. And I need to do, I think, Raquel's. So Raquel's invitation's here. Okay, I've created this in Canva. I'm going to click links, and it's going to pull it up like this. So it's a 6-page PDF document that I've saved. And the first page doesn't have any links. The second page does. So I'm going to click on the second page. Here's my second and third page, page 1 and or page 2 and page 3. And you just want to click and hold your button down the area that you want to add a link. So I'm adding a link to the February specials. So I have all of this open so I can do all of my invitations at once to make it super easy. Not super, but once you start to do it, it gets you get faster. So I want to go to my website, okay, just like your customers see, your my31.com/whatever your website is. And click on specials, only in February. And I'm going to copy the URL for my link to my specials on my website. So I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go back to my document and I'm going to paste it there. Click done. Okay, now my link is going to be there with my customer specials. I'm going to click and hold this down, and that's the catalog. So I am going to go to my issue account, to my spring catalog that I have published or uploaded, and copy it and paste it. Where to go? Too many windows open, my husband would die. Paste the spring catalog and hit done. And then go up here and click the next arrow to see pages 4 and page 5. This is for my customer group. I just created these graphics in Canva for free. Going to go to my customer page and copy my customer group link. Sorry if I'm giving you a headache. And click done. I'm going to click this whole stinking page. And join Team Trust. Let's see. Go back to my website. That like my customer sees. Click Join Us. And this is where they get more information about the 31 opportunity. And copy that link. And go back to my publication. Paste that URL. You guys get the drift. I'm just going to show you all the way to the end. go up to the arrow and click next. For the last page is where they can order, and go to what we in our back office, go to your back office and find that person's party. Okay, sorry, I had to create a party and I didn't want to show her address. So give me a second. Oops. Copy the party link. So where you'll find that is find your party, the about party, copy the link, and go back to your publication and paste, hit done, and save. Once you've done all your pages, or you know, that you want to read or link to, view it in Reader. It gives it a URL for you to, copy and send, but when her guests open up the link, they can turn the pages and see it just like this. She is having a 31 party. Join us and check out the new spring items. And when they click, let's say they're interested in what's the special, they're going to hover over and click it, and look, it's going to take them right to my website. It's me. It's got all my contact information and what the specials are. And they may or may not go back. They might get sucked into this, but at least I've directed them to my website. So that is how you add links to a publication. And so when I want to go and share this with my hostess, I just copy this and text that to her cell phone and send it through private messenger and encourage her to send it out individually, never group message or group private message. So that's what you do. All right, girls. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.